A new release in the SuperPro range of control arms is the Holden Captiva. This SUV, sports utility vehicle, has been sold into the market since 2006, and in-service field reports show the control arm bushings and the ball joint wearing out. SuperPro has launched a front suspension rail control arms complete with new bushings, front and rear on the pickup points, and a new ball joint. So why would you fit a set of Captiva complete arms instead of just the bushings or just the ball joint? Just repeating what I just said, our field service reports are showing that the life of this metallastic bush original equipment, which is tube inner, tube outer, rubber, is failing about the same time as the ball joint. Being a sports utility vehicle, they use some off-road, but doing a lot of touring. Our replacement control arm bushing kit comes with SuperPro bushings, front and rear, which will last longer in the service life, along with the ball joint, which is all serviced at the same time. SuperPro polyurethane material outlasts rubber up to 6 times in harsh conditions. So installing them on a vehicle like the Captiva, they can outlast the original equipment 2 and 3 times. The other characteristic of the material gives better positive location of the suspension bushing, which maintains better alignment, better steering and better handling for the life of the vehicle. So replacing SuperPro bushings gives better handling and safer savings on the service life. Another point why buying the whole control arm, bracket and all is important is pushing the original equipment bush out of the alloy arm. We have found that some of these alloy arms will actually change their shape, and the new bushing going back in will not have the correct tension or friction to hold it in place. So saving those problems in the field service and installation, buy a complete control arm kit and install it in the vehicle. Thank you.